Welcome to the virtual tour of this 2008 Work and Play by Forest River. This Work and Play features a nice full-size awning, all fiberglass exterior, and this one's got aluminum wheels. And as we enter, you'll have a large dinette, a spot for a TV, cabinets and a stereo, double sink, microwave, plenty of storage, and then you've got the extra large double door refrigerator. As we walk back here, this is the bathroom. Nice size shower. And in the garage, you'll have these two Jiffy sofas which turn into beds. A spot, you can see the posts in the post holes in the floor where there would be a dinette table that can go there. And then this is what the sofa bed looks like when it's folded up. Gives you maximum cargo space. And in the back here you can see there's a nice drop down screen wall and your spare tire. This has got 50 amp service on it. And there's also these vents that open up so you can have cross ventilation as you travel with your cargo in the back here. And then that's where the table stows. As you can see, it's in excellent condition, very clean, one owner unit. Thank you for watching the virtual tour of this 2008 24 SK Forest River Work and Play.